Welcome back, everyone, to another episode. Today we are doing question 412, FizzBuzz. So let's go ahead and get into it without further ado. Given an integer n, return a string array answer where answer I equals FizzBuzz if I is divisible by 3 and 5. Answer I equals Fizz if I is divisible by 3. Answer I is Buzz if I is divisible by 5. And then we're just going to return the value of I if none of the above are true. All right, so example 1, n equals 3, 1, 2, fizz, n equals 5, 1, 2, fizz, 4, buzz. Okay. So it looks like for each instance of n, it's just going to go 1 to 15 in this instance, and then follow all the rules up top here to get the desired output. So what I'm thinking we could do is we can initialize a new array that will be the length of n. And from there, we can go ahead and iterate through that list. And then the value of I plus 1, since we started 0, will be what we're going to see if it is divisible. So, for example, 1, it's going to return 1 since it's not divisible by 3, 5. So we'll go ahead and get going on that. So answer equals none times n. Okay, so that's our array. All right. So now we can go ahead and iterate through answer. Try and length. Answer. And we're going to go ahead we're going to go ahead and just initialize a variable for I plus 1. I plus 1 if z, or yeah, see if z equals, or sorry, if e is divisible by 5 and z is divisible by 3, answer I is equal to FizzBuzz. That's perfect. If, so else z equal, or divisible by 3 equals fizz. Okay. Oh. Answer I. There we go. C is divisible by 5. Answer I equals buzz. Okay. And then otherwise, answer is going to equal z in string form. Okay, perfect. And then we're going to return answer as our final value. Okay. Great. Okay. All right. One last comment, and then we should be good to submit it. Return Z if above rules are true. Okay. Alrighty. Let's go ahead and submit it. Oh man. Alright. Let's go ahead and run it first. Let's see if we. Alright. Let's see here. Oh, you know what? I completely forgot to mention if it equals exactly 0. Okay. That would make sense. Well, there you go. Got to see mistake live, so that's always good. Let's go ahead and run this now. There we go. Let's go ahead and submit it. There we go. Okay. Easy Python. Perfect, guys. Well, there you have it. Thank you guys for joining in for another episode. If you enjoyed, go ahead and leave a like. Leave some comments below if you like my solution, if you would have done it a different way, or if you had it a better way. Otherwise, go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with my journey to become a LeetCode master. Once again, guys, thanks for joining, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.